So basically, what is concentration? Remember, we can either determine or calculate or represent concentration in gram per dm cube or moles per dm cube. So we can say that concentration, let me first tell you, you have a better concept of solute, that what is solute, what is solvent, and what is solution. Is it clear for you, or should I revise it again, boys and girls? Is it clear? Okay, I'm revising it one more time. Like for example, solute is the amount of substance in a solution that is in lesser quantity, or the substance that is being dissolved to form a solution, whereas solvent is the part of solution that is in larger quantity, or the solution and the solvent is a substance that in which the solute get dissolves, right? For example, we are going to take 100 ml of water, right? 100 ml of water in a beaker, let's say. We are going to add 10 grams of NaCl. Now the NaCl will completely dissolve, right, to form a solution of NaCl, right, the salty solution. Now, as H2O is in larger quantity and it is getting dissolved in NaCl, so this will be solvent. NaCl is in lesser quantity and it is being dissolved, right? It is getting dissolved. So this will be solute, and the resulting substance formed will be called as solution. It is clear now? This is the simplest
Yes.
example. All right. So what is concentration? Concentration is basically, it is the amount of solute dissolved in specific amount of solvent or solution, right? Solvent or solution. What do you mean by like that? For example, specific, we are going to take 1 liter, right? 1 liter is equal to 1 dm cube. Now we have two containers of 1 liter, two beakers. This contain 1 liter or 1 dm cube of water, right? This is, for example, container A. We also have another container also having same amount of water, right? Now in this is the container number B. We are going to add 10 grams of, for example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and this 10 gram of sodium hydroxide is completely dissolved in 1 dm cube of water. Same is the case with this one. We are going to add 150 grams of sodium hydroxide, and this also get dissolved. Now, this is the solution, right? In other words, we can say this is the basic solution or alkaline solution. This is also the basic solution. But now you will tell me that which one will have greater number of solute, greater amount of solute, more mass of solute, container A or container B, beaker A or beaker B?
B.
B, right? So it means it has more concentration, more number of solute, more mass of solute to form solution, so more concentration, right? Similarly, it has less amount of solute, so less concentration. All right, less solute, less concentration, more solute, more concentration. Clear? This is simple, right? So amount of solute dissolve in specific amount of solvent or solution. Specific, we have taken 1 dm cube. You can take 100 ml or 500 ml or whatsoever you want, right? But it depends upon the mass of solute. In other words, mass of solute is directly proportional. Mass of or amount will be the most suitable word. We can take also an example mole. Amount or mass, moles are mass of solute is directly proportional to concentration. Okay, is directly proportional to concentration. More amount of solute, more will be the concentration. Less amount of solute, less will be the concentration. It's clear now. Is it clear, right? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, over here, let's look at this one. So you have gotten concept of solute, the solvent, and the solution, right? Yes, please. The greater amount of solute in given volume, the greater will be the concentration. Either it can be measured by unit gram per dm cube or mole per dm cube. Yes, please. Do you want to ask anything related to this one? No? Now look at this one. So first of all, we are considering concentration in gram per dm cube, right? Concentration, in other words, in 1 dm cube of solution, how many grams of solute is being dissolved. For example, we have just taken an example of gram per dm cube. Concentration of this container will be 10 grams per 1 dm cube of solution, right? And also over here on 50 grams of solute per 1 dm cube, right? Is it clear? Of solvent, 1 dm cube of solvent. Solution will be of course greater than 1 dm cube because we have added 10 gram more. Similarly, 1 dm cube of solvent because we have taken 1 dm cube of solvent, right? Now we are going to do the simple concentration numericals. We have been given with mass in gram of solute and volume of, right, volume of distilled water. So we will have to calculate the concentration. We have just learned the fourth formula, that was n is equal to c multiplied by v, where n is the number of moles, c is the concentration, v is the volume. In other words, you can rearrange that concentration is equal to number of moles divided by volume, but that was for number of moles. We will be encountering this type of numerical, right? But for this case, we will be calculating like that: mass is equals to concentration multiplied by volume. In other words, concentration is equals to mass in gram divided by volume in dm cube. If you have been given the mass of solute in gram, then you will be using this formula, right? And if you have been given moles of solute, then you will be using this formula, right? So write the formula, put the values, and you will end up with getting answer. Is it clear, dear students? Please respond me. Hurry up. Answer me, please. I'm waiting for you. What? Say it
What?
again, please. Say it again, please. I've not heard you.
Sir, can you explain this once again?
I'm going to explain it one more time. This numerical or the whole concept, or just this numerical?
This
All right.
numerical.
Instead, it's better to, this is this exactly the same numerical like that one, right? Now we have been provided with mass, right? Mass is 25 grams, okay? And volume is 5 dm cube. We will have to calculate concentration. Now we have learned the formula of moles, that number of moles is equal to C multiplied by V, okay? But over here moles is not given, mass is given, then we will be calculating like that, C multiplied by V, okay? Because they have this is the repeating mistake, just forget about that. They want the solution in gram per dm cube, so no need to worry about this formula. You will be using this formula, right? So concentration is equal to m divided by v. This is the formula, just put it here. Mass of solute, right, divided by volume in dm cube of solvent, volume in dm cube, and mass in gram. So mass is 25 grams, volume is 5 dm cube, so the answer will be 5 grams per dm cube. Is it clear, Saliba? Is clear now?
Yes.
One more time.
Yes.
It's clear.
No,
Excellent.
it's clear.
Oh, excellent. Now, if they ask to find the concentration in moles per dm cube, like over here, they ask to find the concentration of solution in gram per dm cube. If, for example, they are going to ask in moles per dm cube, then what will you do? Look at here. Then, for example, we are going to do this example. Again, the same formula. We have learned the formula: n is equal to C multiplied by V, or C is equal to N by V. So, for example, let me make a quick question for you people, so that you may not get confused. For example, calculate concentration in moles per dm cube of 5 moles of NaOH dissolved in 3 dm cube of water, distilled water, right? So what we are going to do, just simple, write the formula. C is equals to number of moles divided by dm cube. C is equal to number of moles are 5 and 5 moles, and the volume is 3 dm cube. Then you will end up with getting answer. Is it clear, dear students? It's clear now. You will have to calculate it, right? Say it again. Ask it again, please. Ask it again.
Okay, nothing. Your screen was not showing before. Now it's showing.
All right. Is it clear now? Is it clear or not? Just tell me, then I will explain it again. Yes, please. Look at here. Moles are given, volume is given. Use the formula.
It's clear, sir.
It's clear. Excellent. So N divided by V. N is number of moles, right? Volume is dm cube, and you will divide these two and you will get the answer. Clear? Right. Now, for example, over here, no, not this one. Wait, which is, yes. Now they are going to calculate the number of moles, and 2.5 dm cube volume is given and concentration is given, right? So use this formula again. Number of moles equals to concentration multiplied by volume. Concentration is 0.2 moles per dm cube, and the volume is 2.5 dm cube, right? So the answer will be 0.5 moles. Is it clear? Dear students, please respond me. Now this question, for example,
Yes, sir.
again they are going to ask moles, volume is given, concentration is given. So again this formula, C multiplied by V. C is 0.5 moles per d. These are very simple questions, right? And volume is 3 dm cube, so the answer will be, I guess, 0.15 moles. Clear? These are very simple questions. Now in case, look at this example clearly. Look at the question, please. They are demanding from us concentration in moles per dm cube, moles and dm cube, but they have given mass in grams, so we will have to convert this mass into moles. They have given volume in cm cube, then we will have to convert this volume into dm cube, from cm cube into dm cube. Clear? How? Look at here, then we are doing it by ourselves. Molar mass of NaOH is 23 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 40 gram per mole. So we are going to first calculate number of moles of NaOH. M by Mr. Mass in gram is, mass is 80 grams, and molar mass is also, molar mass is 40 grams per mole. So the answer will be, the answer is 2 moles, right? And also they have given volume in cm cube, so we are going to convert this
Sir,
volume. Why not what?
why don't we use the other formula?
Because they are asking in moles per dm cube, right? Not gram per dm cube. The previous formula was good for gram per dm cube, right? As they are not asking about gram per dm cube, they are asking from us in to find concentration in moles per dm cube, right? So we will be just doing like that. Concentration is equal to number of moles and volume in dm cube. So number of moles are 2 moles and volume is 0.5 dm cube, right? So you will have to calculate it down. Whereas in the previous questions like this one, they were asking from us about the concentration in, is it visible? Concentration in gram per dm cube, right? So the given data is in gram. There is no need to convert this into moles, right? The volume is in dm cube. It's already in dm cube, so no need to convert from cm cube to dm cube. Is it clear now, Saleba? Please respond me. Tell me, is it clear now? It's clear or not? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
That's very good.
Yes, sir.
So excellent. Now let's do another question like that one. Look at here again. They are going to ask from us about concentration of solution of potassium hydroxide in. This is just repeating mistake. Forget about that. In again, Saleba, moles per dm cube, right? And the given data is in grams. So what will we do? Of course, we are going to convert this mass in gram into moles by using the formula, right? So mass is 56 grams, okay? And molar mass of KOH, K is 39, oxygen is 16, and hydrogen is 1, so that is 56 grams per mole, right? So 56 by 56, of course, it is equal to 1 mole. Clear? And volume is again given in cm cube, but they are demanding volume in dm cube, right? So we will be converting volume in cm cube to dm cube, and the answer will be 0.25 dm cube. So again, just put the values, number of moles, but volume in dm cube, number of moles are 1 and volume is 0.25 dm cube. So you will get the answer. Clear, students? Tell me, please. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good, very good. Now titration is left, empirical formula is left. There are 1 day topics and then percentage purity. Yes, we need just 2 classes more.
Sir, and how long
Tomorrow,
will this chapter be finished?
inshallah, in 2 classes. Yes, in next classes we are going to do, remember, we are going to do the titration, right? And empirical formula. This is very simple. Okay, titration and empirical formula will be done in 1 class, inshallah. And then in next class we are going to study about percentage impurity, right? Clear? When is the class going to end?
In 1 minute.
All right, so see you tomorrow, inshallah, probably in the school, I guess, but not sure about that. Then take care and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Love.